Ready? Start. After arguing for some time, counsel for the petitioner, on instructions from the petitioner, states that the petitioner does not want to press this revision petition against the impugned order with liberty to file a civil suit for establishing his title. Stop. The property was divided into 9 shops by the original owner, who was undisputedly owner of the property. Stop. The learned trial court has held that it amounts to violation of provisions of the Haryana Urban Development Authority Act 1977. Stop. However, what provisions of law have been violated has not pointed out, and what are the consequences of the aforesaid violations have not been adverted to. Stop. Learned counsel for the respondent also did not press this point at the time of arguments. Therefore, this court is not dealing with the aforesaid issue any further. Stop. During the pendency in any court having authority within the limits of India, excluding the state of Jammu and Kashmir, or established beyond such limits by the central government, of any suit or proceedings which is not collusive and in which any right to immovable property is directly and specifically in question, the property cannot be transferred or otherwise dealt with by any party to the suit or proceeding so as to affect the rights of any other party thereto under any decree or order which may be made therein, except under the authority of the court and on such terms as it may impose. Stop. The reason for enacting Section 52 of the Act of 1882 is to secure the interest of the party during the pendency of the suit, so that the party is not called upon to indulge in repeated litigations against the transferee who had purchased the property during the pendency of the suit or the proceedings. Stop. Section 52 of the Act of 1882 makes all subsequent transactions by the parties to the litigation subservient to the result of the litigation. Stop. This is called rule of lis pendens. Stop. However, question is whether rule of lis pendens would apply to the aforesaid transfer of property, which was in continuation of series of transactions which took place before filing of the suit. Stop. Rule of lis pendens is to save an honest litigant from the adverse effects of subsequent transfers by other party to the litigation. Stop. However, rule of lis pendens is not to save an unscrupulous litigant who is misusing the process of court. Stop. Such principle is based on equity and good conscience and is intended to protect the parties to the litigation against alienation made by their opponents during the pendency of the suit. Stop. The doctrine of lis pendens does not operate so as to defeat the right existing before the date of filing of the suit. Stop.